In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Square appointments to Squarespace. We'll be setting up your scheduling inside Squarespace, creating the appointment service your visitors will book, and then embedding that scheduler directly onto your website so clients can make appointments without leaving your page. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and clicking on Scheduling. This takes you into the appointment management area where you'll configure when you're available and what services you offer. Once you're there, click Set Your Availability. This is where you define the times customers are allowed to book with you. Go ahead and set your booking time based on your real working hours. Try to be as accurate as possible here, because this schedule controls what people will see when they try to make an appointment. After you've entered your regular hours, click Save Regular Hours to make sure those settings are stored. Then go back to the main scheduling area. Next, click Create Appointment Types. This is where you build the services people can actually book. Choose New Type of Service, then enter the name of the appointment. Make the name clear and simple so clients instantly understand what they're selecting. After that, type in a description. This is helpful for explaining what's included in the service, and it can reduce confusion before someone books. Now, select the duration in minutes. Choose the amount of time that matches how long the service normally takes. Then, enter the price amount. Be sure the price is correct, since this is what customers will expect when they complete the booking. When everything looks good, click Create. With the service created, the next step is to grab the scheduler embed code. Click the direct scheduling link, then choose Embed Scheduler. You should now see an option to copy the embed code. Click Copy and keep that code ready because you'll paste it into your Squarespace site in just a moment. Now go to your Squarespace website editor, open the page or section where you want the appointment scheduler to appear, then click Add Block. From the block options, choose Embed. After the block is added, click the pencil icon to edit it. Inside the settings, select Code Snippet, then click into the Embed Data area. Paste the code you copied from the scheduler. At this point, your booking widget is connected to your site. Once you save and publish your changes, visitors will be able to view your availability and book the service you created right from your Squarespace page. If you want the booking experience to look cleaner, place the embed on a dedicated booking page so it's easy for customers to find.